Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the 17th of July. Yeah, 17th. And my birthday was like 2 days ago, so happy late birthday to my fat ass. I'm just gonna moisturize my little face. Oh, and to moisturize my little beautiful face, I use the Pond's Clarent B3 cream, as you can see. Okay, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be reviewing this sponge that I bought long ago, and it was like there was like a waiting list and whatnot, and I got it like a month ago. But here it is, the silicone infused super sponge. So hashtag super sponge right there. Make sponge and make a makeup sponge and a scrubber set. Okay. This sponge won't suck. It is like non-absorbent, so like it gives you 2 to 4 times more foundation coverage. Expands when wet like every other sponge. Supposedly has like a longer lifespan, and it also lasts 2 to 4 times longer than a regular sponge. And it's marshmallow soft. Sourced from ultra premium materials, antibacterial, silicone infused barrier, limits bacteria, scrubs clean. Use soap and scrubber for an easy clean. It's the only one super sponge. We're so excited for you to try our revolutionary super sponge. It's literally like nothing you've ever felt before. It's the world's first silicone infused makeup sponge that won't absorb your foundation and scrubs away clean when you're done. We hope you love it as much as we do. Follow us on Instagram, super sponge. Latex free, cruel free, vegan free supposedly. So I remember how much this was in let's see if this opens easily. Oh my gosh, I don't have muscles like that. So here's a little scrubber to clean a little sponge. You can see it's cute, huh? Oh my gosh. Here it is. So the bottom feels super soft, like a regular little spongy. And this one just feels, I don't know, but has a little glitter and we can see it. You know how they said like the packaging says it's like soft like a marshmallow? I think that's up here. Like literally this is soft. Let's compare it to my e.l.f. Beautifully Precise sponge. The e.l.f. Beautifully Precise sponge is very hard. It's a little dirty. But what am I supposed to do with it? Clean it with bleach? No, right? So here we go. Okay, so let's get started. Let me prime my face really quick. I'm gonna use the hold on. I was gonna use the No More Problem primer, but then I was like, I'll just use the No Problem Primer Sets. They're in the box charm like long ago. This one says, this one Korean. So on the webpage, on the website, it says to glide, bounce, blend. Well, actually, wet it. So we're next wet it, squeeze it, slide it, and glide it, bounce it, and blend it. Scrub and clean it. You best believe it. Okay, so wet it, squeeze. So I'm gonna go by this. I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. And I would normally use like a very nice foundation, but flip. For today's video, I'm just gonna go with mine. Okay, so here we go. I'll be using my little e.l.f. foundation in the color Toffee. It says glide it. There we go. Glide. And they slide too, right? Don't want to get your little gay ears, you guys. Keep forgetting about those damn pimples. Ugh. Like, I don't know if I what it was, but like it looks okay. It doesn't look like bad. It just looks like a regular type of thing, you know, like I feel like it gave me more of like a natural finish. Okay, as you can see, my pimples are everywhere. Like, honey, no, this is horrible. Okay, like that. I'm just gonna leave like that. Okay, so I'm gonna see how long this. I'm not even gonna clean it. I'm just gonna be like, it's okay. Didn't apply well. Just I use like 3 pumps. Let me go finish the rest of my face, and I'll clean the sponge and I'll let you guys know how that goes. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, sorry. Did my face, a little basics. I'm just going to the bank and I cleaned it. I don't know, it does not look like it would be super clean like how it came out of the package, but I used this and I used some Ultra Dawn soap, which I love. I use Ultra Dawn soap for all my sponges, my face, everything, okay? But yeah, this is the final look. I feel like I did a great job, just that it didn't work as advertised. Well, unless it was maybe because it was a foundation, you know, I mean, it is e.l.f. and I love e.l.f. I'm like, I do love e.l.f. But I feel like maybe next time I'll just use it with the higher end foundation, like maybe Huda or Dior, who knows. Should I do that for next week or for the weekend video? Should I do like a compare with let me see it. I'll do a side with the Huda foundation or Dior, whatever, with this sponge, and then the next one, the other face, I'll use. Oh, excuse me, pardon me. I'll use my favorite e.l.f. one, or another silicone. They're little skinny, small sponges. I want one of those. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments what would you want to see, because I wouldn't know. I'm like clueless as fuck. And yeah, I mean, I look cute. Oh, I forgot to set my face. Hold on. Since I'm not going to work and it's super hot outside, I might even go outside for like longest I'm gonna go for a little bit. I'm using e.l.f. makeup and mist set. This one retails like what, $4? And this is one I only use when I don't go out, or I go out but just to go shopping. And yeah, so let's get it done. Let's makeup mist and set. Oh, it sucks. Normally I'll just like, I pat on the face with a blender. And there we go. I feel like I look good. We all look good, don't we? So the super sponge, I do totally recommend it. I like it. It's just the wait list appear, because like, okay, so when I did buy this, it took me like for the longest. Like I completely had even forgotten about the that I had even forgotten that I even bought it. And then when finally I got an email confirmation like, oh, your order's shipped, and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot I even ordered it. But I like it. It's gonna go in my, it's gonna go in here with all my sponges that I use or don't ever use, or just like I do own a bunch of sponges which I hardly ever use, like the Morphe ones. I've never used it. I bought one, and I bought the little the Jeffree ones, the pink ones. I haven't used those yet, but hopefully soon. And that concludes today's video, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, my little Johnnies.